Man, this thing's amazing. ACS took care of it.
Dude, this box is huge. I guarantee you I can fit in this box. I guarantee you I can fit in here.
Dude, freaking not, you're not 5 anymore.
It doesn't matter. 5 or old as I am now.
Dude,
I can fit in this box.
I bet you,
as an adult,
I bet you Taco Bell, you can't fit in that box.
You know, I can't say no to Taco Bell.
There's no way.
What? I'm gonna fit. I mean, look at this thing. It's like a freaking coffin.
Dude, watch out.
See how many dead bodies can fit in this box.
So this is Jonathan. Jonathan, this is for you. Okay, apparently we ain't gonna fit.
Only 1.5. 1.5. Unless you're 7.
Hey, like and subscribe to Protected Dad Pranks and Front Seat Driver.
Do it. Do it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Front Seat Driver. My name is Jason. I'm here today with Steve from Protective Dad Pranks. And our typical Saturday consists of Corvettes, coffee, and installs. Starting a new series is basically just gonna be Corvettes and coffee. So every Saturday we're doing something with a Corvette, doing something with coffee. But I wanna take a minute today to talk about the fact that it is Saturday, March 21st, and we are dealing with a pandemic that's going on in our country right now. And so a lot of people are more focused and concerned with being able to pay their rent, make those car payments, keep their jobs. We don't want this to come across as anything insensitive. This is a fairly expensive product that we're installing in his car today. It was purchased prior to basically everything going on. We actually care a lot about our subscribers and the people watching our videos, and we just want to tell you our hearts and prayers go out to you for the people that are struggling, whether they are sick, whether they know somebody that's sick, or whatever the situation, whether it's work related or whatever. Our hearts go out to you and our prayers. So we want to just say, hey, thank you for taking a few minutes to watch, which is really the biggest reason why we decided to go ahead and do this, is to help everybody maybe have a minute to take their mind off of all of the negative that's going on in the media right now with this pandemic that's spread. But anyway, we're gonna go ahead and get started now. If you are into Corvettes, please consider subscribing to my channel. If you like this video, please hit that like button, and please also share this if you get an opportunity. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. So this is ACS Composite's C7 Corvette Coupe Waterfall compartment. And this one has been painted in torch red to match Steve's C7 Corvette in torch red. All right guys, we're about to do the official unboxing of the ACS Waterfall. So let's open it up and take a look and see what's inside.
This thing's so light.
Yeah.
Let's put that right here. Grab the parts kit. That's so light.
These are the parts you need to actually install it in the car.
Let's open it up. That's one thing I love about ACS is how well they package things. It's like so smooth. It's all protected at all times.
Yeah, it's protected, like Protected Dad.
This is great. Plastic out. Oh my gosh.
Woo! Dude, that's gloss.
Oh my gosh, look how shiny that is.
It smells good.
Oh my gosh, look at that. That is so cool. That is amazing. Wow. That is gonna look so nice inside. Oh,
I actually like the C7 logo right here in the center. That looks fantastic.
oh, this thing's amazing. It's so light. I mean, it's not gonna even go anywhere. Wow. Well, let's get this thing installed.
No stress.
All right guys, so this is the final shot with the waterfall inside, and as you can see there's a box right there on each side. You can put your GoPros or whatever little storage you want to put in there. And this is how it fits with the roof stowed in the back. Nice, perfect fit. It really looks good. All right, guys, that's going to do it for today's video. The new waterfall is installed. I think it looks fantastic. I know, Steve, how you feel?
Man, it looks amazing. You know, that's one thing about this car. I've always thought the convertible C7 Corvette looks amazing because it's waterfall, and that's one thing I really wanted. And when ACS Composite came out with this,
yeah,
oh my gosh, I know I didn't have it.
Yeah.
So thank you, Jonathan, from ACS, and quality piece of equipment again.
Absolutely. Paint matches perfect. It looks fantastic. Like I said, Justin from Horsepower Obsessed will be doing an actual install video with this product, so keep an eye out for that. If you're not subscribed to his channel, please go do so now. Make sure you're subscribed so when that comes out, you can see his installation of this. Also, our friend Team 512, Scott, does a lot of really, really good installation videos. Best garage.
Dude, he's on reality show. I'm not even joking.
Yeah, the guy's fantastic. Go follow him as well if you don't already. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. Hope everybody has a great day.
Peace.